Welcome to the beautiful and wild Phase 11, a jungle-side neighborhood of a magical expat and tourist hotspot, Ojochal, Costa Rica.
This large 2.36-acre lot presents an elevated building site, 2 street frontages, and lush greenery.
The raised building platform invites construction that will amaze with tropical jungle, mountain, and ocean vistas in every direction.
A striking contemporary home has been designed to take full advantage of the hilly section and elevated building site.
2 access road frontages curve around the elevated building platform.
From the Pacific vistas to our dramatic coastal mountains, and with jungles all around, the views will be breathtaking in every direction.
Services, amenities, luxuries, and beautiful beaches are mere minutes away.
This stunning ocean and mountain view lot in an established and popular community is brought to you exclusively by REMAX We Sell Paradise. Ben, the listing agent, is ready to take you on a private tour or provide more information about the offer. A full listing link is available in the description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in paradise.